In this video blog, I'm just going to introduce one of the sacred geometry kits that I make. This is the first one I'm sending to a dear friend, a healer in Australia. She did some healing on me by proxy, distance healing, about 6 months ago, and I promised her this kit as a swap, as an exchange, an energy exchange. And finally, at this eclipse, I'm actually getting the kit together. So the kit is it's in this box. This says Magic Matchbox Collection. You see, they're matchboxes, and in each different kit you get things to put together. This one is called the Golden Mean Ratio Icosahedron Kit, and there's a picture there of what we are going to make with what is inside this box. Also in the box, or by email, you get some diagrams and some words. Now this video is not going to tell you where the golden mean comes from, other than it comes from nature, and it comes from a series of numbers called the Fibonacci series, which are ratios of numbers, and they are in our bodies, such as the ratio of that to that is the same as the ratio as that to that, and that to that, and approximately that to that. But anyway, elsewhere in the body you will find the Fibonacci series ratios, which progresses towards the 12th step, going up like 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. What's amazing with the golden mean ratio, it's like a ratio that means like 1 to 3, 1 to 4 as a ratio. So like a piece of paper might be 1 to, then you divide this side by that is 1, and that would be about to 3, so it's about 1 to 1.3, 1 1/3. So I'm just going to show you very quickly how to construct a golden mean rectangle, which is not this piece of paper. This is not a golden mean rectangle, it needs to be longer. If you take a square, divide it by 2, straight down the middle. And then you take a compass, the thing with a point and a pencil, you put the point on there and the pencil on there, and you draw an arc going down. So this is the distance that you're taking, and you put your compass on there and you swing that down like this till it reaches this line out here. And then you draw another line up there, across there, and that now is the golden mean rectangle. Simple. What is the ratio? 1 to 1.618. And there's a few other small decimal places that goes on forever and ever and never reaches a final conclusion. But 1.618 is the generally accepted nearest figure. And that's everywhere in nature. So now I'm just going to show you how my little kit goes together. We've got three golden mean ratio rectangles with slots in, and we've got 6. Should be 6 or 7 here, maybe one for spare. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's right. One spare in case you lose it or break it. So you take this one first and put it through the one with the notch in. careful with these little balls. That's right, that's got through. And then where that notch is sticking up, take the one with the long slot, put that over it, get the balls carefully through the slots there. That's it. Slide that up until that slot goes into the little groove, and there we have this three-dimensional golden mean rectangle. So it's a golden mean rectangle in all those directions. And so now we hook the elastic on there, like that. And there's one triangle or one diamond. It's a little bit tricky, but you soon get the knack of it. And the last one. There we've got it. Now, so there it is. It's called an icosahedron, or that shape. If you to fill those triangles in, there's 20 triangles and 12 points. Then they all fit on a sphere, or all would touch a surface of a sphere, and it's called an icosahedron. It makes a ratio. If you fit three together in three different planes, join up the corners, you get triangles which form a Platonic solid. The icosahedron is one of the 5 Platonic solids, which are shapes discovered by Plato, supposedly. In fact, they were discovered many years before Plato, thousands of years before. We know that because there have been stone shapes carved to those shapes found, and they are 2,000 years old. So, there it is, finished. The icosahedron. Have a close look. I find it amazing that this perfect symmetrical geometrical shape comes from numbers which are to be found in the flowers in the garden. The seeds which spiral round in 2 ways on a sunflower, the seeds that spiral round in 2 ways on a fir cone, they are in ratios which give rise to the golden mean, which gives rise to this perfect shape. It has 12 faces and 20 points, or vertices is the correct technical name. I won't say any more at this time about this shape or what you can do with it or why it's useful to know about it. This purpose of this little video blog was just to show you the kit going together. So I will leave you now. Om Shanti, peace.